Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Easy Tutorials, and today's video is sponsored by Wix. In this video I'm gonna show you how to build your own professional website. Using Wix Website Builder, you can create any kind of website like business website, portfolio, resume, online community, or e-commerce website without any coding or programming knowledge. For this video, I'm gonna create an online resume website or online CV website. So let's start this video. First, come to this website wix.com. You can find this link in the description. Here you need to create an account using your email ID, or you can sign up using your Facebook account or Google account. So I am using this option, continue with Google. After sign up, just click on this button. Let's do it. Here it is asking some questions about your website. You can answer these questions or you can skip these steps. So I will click on this skip option. On this page you have two options. First is Wix ADI. It will ask you few questions about your website and it will create a website for you using artificial design intelligence. And the second option is Wix Editor. Here we can choose from so many templates, then we can customize the template according to our requirements. So I will go with this option to create website with Wix Editor. On this page you will find so many templates. You can always start with the blank template and create each layout by yourself. But it is better to go with these templates because here we have beautiful templates designed for different categories of website. If we click on online store, we will get all the templates for e-commerce sites. You can see we have lots of templates here. If I click on blog, here we have templates for making blog and news websites. I want to create an online CV website, so I will click here on portfolio and CV. So these are the beautiful templates for making online resume website. I will check on the next page. You can choose from any of these templates. If you take cursor on any one, there are two buttons. One is edit and another one is view. Let's click on view button. Now I can edit this template as per my requirements. If I scroll this web page, you can see this template is looking very good. And if I click here on this mobile icon, you will see this website in the mobile screen size. So you can see this web page is completely responsive. Let me come back to the desktop view again. If you are happy with this template, click on this button, edit this site. So it will open the Wix editor. Here you can edit your complete website according to your requirement. If I scroll here, you can see these are different layouts. If you want to edit this header, click here. And you can also use this icon. And here you can add any new menu and you can also add a new page that I will teach you later. Here you can see there are some text. So if you want to edit this text, click here. Replace these text. So I will write my own text here. Now I want to change this small text. So again click here and replace the text. In the right side you can see we have option to increase and decrease the font size. We can change the font family. If you want to change any image, so click on the image. Here you have option change image. Click here. And here you can drag your own image. Here we can also choose media from Wix. So click here and here you will find lots of images that you can use on your website. If I scroll here, you can see there are lots of images here. You can search these images according to your category. So let me type here business. And now it will display all the images related to business. Here also we have this button upload media. So let me click on this one and upload any image from your computer. Then click on this button, choose image. And now you can see our image has been replaced. Next, I'll tell you how you can add any new content on this layout. So just come here. I'll click on this plus icon. Here we have lots of things. We can add image, gallery, text, buttons, and so many things. So let me come to the button. And you can see we have different types of buttons here in the right side. So we can drag any button on our web page. So let me use this one. I will hold and drag it on our web page. Now we can drag it to change the position. So I will drag it over here. You can also change the design of these buttons. So just click here, then click on this icon design. Next, I'll click on customize design. And here I will change the shadow. If I want to change this text, so click here and change the button text. So I'm writing hire me. Here you can put the link of this button. Here you can add any website address, you can link any page of this website, you can add anchors, you can add an email ID, phone number. For now I'm adding home page. If I scroll here also we have some text. If I click here, I can change this text and we can change the size also. If I click on this description, you can see I can drag this one to change its layout. Now to replace this content, click here and remove everything and paste the new content. If I scroll down, again we have some content here. So as I told you how to replace the content, here I will tell you how to remove this one. So right click over here, then click on delete. For this one also I'll remove. That's it. Now I will tell you how to add new content. So click here, then click on text, then click on title and click on any title that you want to use on your page. So this is the title I am using here. I can change the text. Next, I will add some description also. So again, click on this plus, then click on text and come to paragraphs. Drag any paragraph here. We can drag to change the layout. Let me change the font size for this one. Now it is looking better. I will move it in the center. Here you can change the color also. So let me change this color. Same color I will apply in other titles also. Now I will come to another section. Here also you have the same things. You can replace these content, then you have button, you can edit this button also. Here we have some text, and here you can see some social media icons. So let me click here and see how to change this. If I click here, and you can see we have option to delete these icons, and we can add a new icon also. So click here and you will find so many icons. You can see Facebook, LinkedIn and Snapchat, Twitter. Let's close it. And to add your social media links on these icons, click here, and here you can replace the social media URL. I will paste my Facebook link here, then click on done. Now I'll click on Twitter, click here and replace the URL. Now I will click on Instagram, click here and replace the URL. Done. So this is how you can change the social media links. If you want to edit this form, click here, and here you can see plus icon to add one element. You can use this button also, add new fields. And in the right side you can see we have so many options. We can add email ID, phone number and other things. Next, click on form setting. Then click on settings. And here you can see email notifications. So here is the email ID where we will receive all the inquiries when someone submit this form. Now if we want to add some other menu in this header, click here, and at the bottom you can see this link, and here is the folder that will be used for creating a drop down menu. So let me click on this link icon, and here you can see we have multiple options to add different type of links. So here I will add one anchor link. In this anchor I am adding the section of this web page. So I am adding about section. It is about me. Click here and change the text. So it is about me. Similarly, I will add other section also. This is work experience. Click on done, then replace the link text. Now I will add education. I will add one more, which is contact me, and replace the text contact. Drag it to change its order. Close this one. Similarly, we can add different anchors in this button also. So click here and click on anchor, then click on contact me. Click on the preview and you can see all the customizations done on your web page. So if I click here, you can see it is scrolling the web page. If I click on contact, it will scroll the web page to the contact section. If I click here, hire me, it will scroll the web page to contact section. So let's come back again to the editor. So click here. And if you want to add a new page, just click here. Click on add page. Write the page name here. So I'm writing portfolio. So right now it is blank page, only we have header and footer. If you want to change the background, click here, and here you can add different images in background. You can add videos and you can add color. So I'll click on color. So I will leave it white itself. I don't want to change the background color. Now if you want to add any content on this page, so click on this plus icon, and I want to add some gallery. So click here, gallery, and here we have different types of gallery. So select any of these that you want to add on your web page. I will use this design. Click here, and now you can see this gallery on this page. We can drag it to change the space from the top. You want to change the images in this gallery, so click here, then click on Manage Media. Here you have options to add new media and you can also delete anyone. Let me click here and delete. Its width is very low, so I will drag it like this to increase the width of this gallery. So now it is looking good. So this is how you can add a new page and add a new content on the page. Let's come back to the home page. And at the bottom you can see we have footer text here, so we can change this text also. Click here and replace the copyright text. Now I will tell you what other things you can add on this web page. So click here on the plus icon and you can add booking forms, e-commerce store, blogs, menu and forms, social media links, music, videos, and so many things. If I click here, you will find so many apps that can add more functionality on your website. Here we can find the apps in different categories. So if I click on analytics, you will find different apps to track the analytics of this website. If I click on online store, you will find so many apps to set up an online store on your website. You can add a chat option also. You can add PayPal donation and PayPal payment option. You can add images from the Instagram using this app. If I come to my article page, you can see there are so many articles written over here. So how to change these articles? So click here on this icon, my blog. Here you can create a new post. And if you want to edit all posts, just click here. Here you can see all the posts that is available on our web page. You can click here, then click on Move to Trash to delete this post. You can click on this button to create a new post. And you can click here to edit the existing post. Here you can see this is the post title. So we can replace this post title. Like this, we can replace all content in this article. Then click on Publish. You can see the article title has been changed. If I refresh the web page, you can see a new article title here. Let me come back to the home page. I don't want this button over here because we already added this contact in the navigation bar. So if you are done with your all editings, click on Publish. After Publish, it will show you a URL where you can access your website publicly. Let me open this URL in new tab. So this is my website right now. And this is the website URL. Here we can change the website name also. For that, we will come back in the Wix editor again. Then click on Settings and click on My Dashboard. Here you can see this button. Click here and click on Rename Site. So right now it is site name is my site, so I will change this site name. I will change the site URL also. So now it is updated site URL. I will open this link in the new tab and you can see this is our website URL right now. Our username .wixsite.com/website name. So this is how our website is live right now. You can add a professional domain name also. So come back here and click on Connect Domain. Here it is asking why a domain name or Connect a domain name you already own. So if you don't have any domain name, click here, buy a new domain. Here you can search a domain name to buy. Let me search this one. So it is not available. I'll search another one. And now it says available. Then click here. So upgrade your plan for 1 year and get the domain name, and your website will be live on your new domain name. So this is how you can create a website using Wix editor. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.